Welcome to our channel Rajasusila Holistics. From past few days we are doing some small episodes telling you many important tips. Today I will tell you a tip with a simple ingredient we have in our kitchen. It is fenugreek seeds or what we call methi in Hindi. These fenugreek seed have lot of power to attract positive energy and also to bring prosperity and money in our life. Progress, growth also. Methi seeds, you may know methi seeds are this. These are methi seeds. What you have to do, what you should do with this methi seed. So using this methi seed, how to attract abundance, money and growth in your business, in your life, I will tell you today. What you have to do, first you have to choose a very beautiful bowl, a ceramic bowl like this which looks very attractive and beautiful, or a simple glass, decorated glass bowl or decorated ceramic bowl. The bowl should be so beautiful and pleasing. As we like things which are decorated and pleasing, even the good life force energy which we called chi also likes beautiful things and good decorative things. So choose a good decorative bowl. In that you put some mud, fresh mud which has not been used before. Fresh you buy from shop and put in it and keep it aside. Now what you have to do, on Wednesday night after sunset, take a handful of fenugreek seeds and soak it in water. It should remain in the water till Friday morning. Friday after sunrise, any time, you take the methi seeds out and bring it and put it in the bowl with soil which we have made and kept it ready. The mud bowl with mud, the ceramic bowl which we have made it ready. In that you just put the methi seeds and place it in the southeast part of your business place, southeast part of your factory or organization, or southeast part of your home. After keeping that, every day you just be sprinkling some water in it so that it grows. Methi itself is a spice which can bring prosperity. When it grows, anything which grows brings abundance. Anything which grows brings progress in our life. So you should make it to grow. It should grow till the next Friday. Next Friday you remove the leaves. You can use it in your cooking or you can donate to somebody. Again on Wednesday you have to soak the seeds. Friday you have to put in it. One more thing which I forgot to tell you. While you are putting the seeds in mud on every Friday, just be repeating the number 808, 808, 808, 808 and put it in mud. So 808 is such a number which attracts abundance and prosperity. Every day when you sprinkle water, again you repeat the words 808, 808, 808. This is a very simple tip which anybody can do. There is no costly things involved in it. I am trying to give you such important tips. If you have any problem and you feel that you want a tip for them, you please give it in the comment box. I will try to give solution and remedies for it. Please like our video, share it and subscribe it.